Moana 1 was a really good movie. I loved it so much and it really moved me. So when I was a little boy about this big, my cousins came over and we watched it a bit. We skipped the part about the lava monster. I don't think that my parents liked her. So anyway, you've probably heard Moana 2 is coming soon. I watched the trailer the other day. I knew I had to make it out of clay. So that's exactly what I'll do. Time to start sculpting. Now it's finished and I love it and it's really beautiful. I just need something else to finish it out. Those big dots, they're beautiful, they are my favorite part. I love them so much, I hope you do too. There's just one thing that I need to add. I'm gonna add it now. I hope you like it, 'cause if you don't, I'll be mad. Like and subscribe.